So since that we are on the topic of sacred and all, little bit I'll tell my own ideas and theories on that topic from an evolutionary anthropology perspective. Now in the hunter-gatherer era, when before domestication of plants and all civilizations all over the world were nature worshipping. You can see that in Africa, South America, North America, wherever indigenous spiritual traditions evolved on without any founder and all. There is no prophet, founder, nothing is there. It just emerged out of the evolutionary biology of the human species. There was some niche to recognize sacredness was there. It was afforded some advantage, and therefore all of them uniformly across the world, including Europe and all, pagan cultures and all they had earlier. And so they had sacred forests, groves and all. If you read about the Greek civilization, Roman and all, they had these oracles and sacred groves, sacred trees and all. So it was there in the pagan era in Europe also. And wherever this that authentic native spiritual tradition survived, there they identified this kind of nice locations and all as sacred. Some annual ritual will be done, including some little blood sacrifice. Some hen or chicken, something or other will be sacrificed. Because blood is very near in these kind of places, you can get injured and all easily. And the forest deities also, they should be kept in good humor so that we have a clear vision and clarity of mind when we go to these wild places. For all such things, nature worship has emerged and then survived to modern times, particularly in non-Abrahamic traditions like India, Buddhist, Jain, and then all kind of tribal societies in the eastern part of India, and then in Africa in some places. And all these traditions have survived to this day, and they have their own rituals and such things. And those sacred, designated sacred places, sacred groves are left relatively untouched by humans, because that is the purpose of those places. You're not supposed to mess around there, and taboos are there. And my own personal experience, it is a serious thing. If you ignore that forest deities and all and go and do all kind of unholy things in those places, there's every possibility that some accident, some snake bite, falling off the bridge, such disasters can strike very easily. So I myself, after I started going to forest and all, developed extra degree of respect for these sacred groves and then the deities which live over there. And they are, if you see any sacred stone, rock, location and all, you can be sure it's one of the old archaic civilizations work.